Born in Iowa in 1874, Herbert was successful throughout the war. Head of the Food Administration, Hoover kept the Allies from starvation. Herbert Hoover was the 31st president of our country, but at political elections he was elementary. 8 months after he arrived in office, the stock market crashed and many took losses. To help, Hoover created government public work projects, but many still had low paychecks. Soon unemployment was up to 25%, and people could barely pay rent. The budget would be balanced, promised Hoover, but the economy wasn't helped by this maneuver. He was a firm believer in volunteer work, a policy that made Congress think he was berserk. In the election of 1832, he lost his appeal and spent the next years opposing FDR's New Deal.